is a set of skills, strategies, and techniques aimed at effectively planning and organizing time. It allows you to manage your time in a way that helps you achieve your goals, increase productivity, and reduce stress. One of the key aspects of time management is planning. Planning helps you structure your time and set priorities. First, you need to determine your goals and objectives. These can be both long-term and short-term goals. For example, you might set a goal to learn a new language or pass an exam, then break those goals down into smaller tasks and set deadlines for completing them. Once you have a list of tasks, you need to prioritize them. One popular prioritization method is the Eisenhower matrix. It allows you to divide tasks into 4 categories: important and urgent, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent and not important. Priority should be given to tasks that are important and urgent. This will help you avoid procrastination and complete tasks on time. However, planning alone is not enough to use time effectively. It is also important to be able to manage your habits and avoid wasting time. For example, too much time may be spent on social networks or useless entertainment. To do this, it is useful to analyze your time and identify which activities take more time than they should. You can then reduce the time you spend on these activities or eliminate them from your schedule entirely. Another important aspect of time management is the ability to delegate tasks. You shouldn't try to do everything yourself, especially if you have the opportunity to delegate the task to someone else. Delegation helps you focus on more important tasks and increase productivity. Equally important is the ability to manage your energy. Energy levels can fluctuate throughout the day, and to use your time effectively, it's important to know your periods of peak productivity. Some people are more active and energetic in the morning, others in the evening. Identify your energy peaks and distribute your tasks accordingly. Perform more complex and important tasks during periods of high energy, and more routine and mechanical tasks during periods of low energy. It is also important to be able to set boundaries and properly distribute time between work and personal life. Constant overwork and lack of time to rest can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Therefore, it is necessary to establish clear boundaries for work and rest. Determine the optimal number of working hours you can devote to each task and stick to this schedule. Also, schedule time for recreation, sports, social gatherings, and other important aspects of your personal life. One way to use your time effectively is to use technology and tools that help you organize and optimize your time. There are many apps and programs that help you schedule tasks, set reminders, track time, and manage projects. Some offer the Pomodoro function, a method in which work is broken up into 25-minute intervals, separated by 5 minutes of rest. This method helps maintain concentration and improves productivity. Finally, it is important to be able to adapt and respond flexibly to changes in plans. In life, surprises and urgent tasks can always arise that require immediate attention. In such cases, it is important to be prepared for changes and be able to rearrange your schedule. At the same time, it is necessary to maintain priorities and focus on important tasks. Time management is a tool that helps us become more organized, efficient, and productive. It allows us to use our time profitably